How to fix not getting verification code on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually get verification code not receiving or getting on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix not getting verification code on iPhone, sometimes you might have the messaging application and you might not have been receiving verification codes, right? How do you solve that? Well, in order to solve that, what do you want to do is you want to first of all make sure that you're in a place where cellular tower is properly connected. Not Wi-Fi, but I'm talking about a cellular network connection, because sometimes the tower could not be available and that could be other reason why. So the other issue is sometimes what happens is the issue with your network provider. So just try to check your network provider. The other is the applications that is not sending you the verification code. When you're not receiving a verification code from Facebook, the problem is also with the Facebook and not just the verification messages. So you might want to close it, just try to re-add from another one. The problem could also be WhatsApp if you're not receiving the code from WhatsApp. So these are just some of the things that you have to understand. The problem is not always the messaging app, but also with your service provider that is currently actually trying to send you a verification code. Hope this video helped you understand a question. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.